Yeah, so okay, so this is gonna be our lunch. So I'm gonna take it out, put it in clean water, a bucket filled with clean water. So I'll lambing this one for maybe 2 hours, and after that we'll prepare for cooking this, right? So thanks to God we have enough food for this lunch. My puppies are here. These are all my dogs, my hunting dogs. One day they're gonna go with me. Okay, let's take it out. It's gonna be our lunch. Up, cross again this bridge. Come on, boy. Come on, get in. Okay. I don't know how to get in. Up. Ah, mom, come. Ma. Okay. Let's go. This is clean water. What I will do, I will put the fishy inside for maybe 2 hours. That's the final wash, and it's gonna be ready. This is very crispy one. Fried. Salt. So we're gonna put some salt. Okay, salt for our fish, and then we're gonna dry this one a bit. Very dry in the sun. Wow, delicious! It's so delicious. The light, no, it's jumping. Right, to make it really crispy, I am drying this fish. I'm gonna fry them after maybe 1 hour. Alright, okay. Okay, I think it's already dried. Now we are heating our pan. We wait until it is really hot, and we will start frying our fish. Now we are frying. Very delicious, crispy. Right, this is ready to serve. Okay, this is gonna be the lunch for our children. Nice. Yeah, this one, onion leaves and tomato. This is the fish that we got from the river behind our farm. Okay, let's enjoy our meal.